the final rejection from this area before the market melted lower. And so we are going to understand this, right? We are going to understand what was going on up here, right? So if we kind of break this down for traders, so what we can see is we see a lot of blue delta and we see a huge red delta stepping in, right? This is aggressive buyers failing, right? This is aggressive buyers that are failing. Even over here, this green candle before the meltdown over here, this green candle actually had a significant number of aggressive buyers at the top, right? And so I had a question about this recently. We can see zero prints at the top, right? So we see 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We see a lot of zeros at the top, which represents this region, right? So what that's showing you is that the market is moving higher, but the volume itself is decreasing. And so when the volume decreases, this shows us a lack of interest for higher prices. And this indicates the markets are likely to reverse and therefore the bullish trend is exhausted, right? That's basically how trend exhaustions work. We pair them with fair value gaps. What's even more interesting is that we can see the aggressive buyers switch to aggressive sellers inside of a 5-minute green candle. And so inside of a 5-minute green candle, we see 124 for 27. So we're seeing the sellers, the aggressive sellers, step into the market after the aggressive buyers have failed to drive the market higher. So this shows us a lack of volume to the upside, as well as a lack of reward, a lack of success for the buyers. And so that means that the sellers are in control, the volume is supporting lower prices. And that is the reason the market tanked, right? That is the reason the market tanked. So I'm using the A-test platform with my analysis to predict lower prices, right? Sell trades. And so this is something I teach in my Price Action Labs. I've got obviously a course, mentorship, etc. If you are interested in booking in with that, feel free to comment below and I'll be more than happy to give you the details on that. But until then, take care.